Hi folks, back on the Mercedes SLS AMG, where this time we're going to take a closer look at the cooling system of the iconic sports car, but with a twist in my model, a water pump inside the dummy engine. At the heart of the powertrain is not a 6.2-liter V8 engine that produces 563 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, but the electric motor coming from a Traxxas monster truck, a high-performance radio-controlled model that is equipped with a powerful brushless motor. The motor used in the Erevo brushless delivers extreme power and speed, and its high efficiency means that it runs cooler and lasts longer than traditional brushed motors. Nonetheless, with the weight of the model being estimated to be around 12 kg or 26 pounds and the missing air cooling possibility, it's important to build a proper cooling system to keep the system running at its best. The cooling system of the SLS AMG is made up of several components, including the radiator, the fan, water pump, cooling sleeve and coolant. These components work together to keep the engine at the right temperature and prevent overheating. The water pump is responsible for circulating the coolant from the engine to the radiator and back again. Obviously, it's essential to keep all joints sealed to prevent leaks and therefore overheating. The joints in the cooling system are exposed to various forces such as pressure, temperature, vibration, and expansion and contraction. So I used silicone parts and materials to seal off any joints. The radiator package has been built around 3 years ago already and is originally a computer radiator. It is designed to transfer heat from the coolant to the air. It's important to regularly check the coolant level and replace it when necessary to keep the cooling system running smoothly. This is why I also designed a functional coolant reservoir in CAD, had it printed by Shapeways in a semi-transparent polypropylene and finally mounted it in the right spot in the engine bay. Finally, the coolant is a mixture of water and antifreeze, and its job is to transfer heat from the engine to the radiator. At some point in the near future, I will mount some temperature sensors to measure the efficiency of my cooling system on the SLS AMG. I hope you enjoyed all the explanations in this new video format. I'd be glad to hear about your feedback. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Cheers!